Erectile dysfunction is a common issue affecting millions of men worldwide. While medications offer temporary relief, they don't address the root cause of the problem. The key to stronger, longer-lasting performance lies in improving blood flow naturally. Today, I'll share with you 3 powerful homemade recipes that work like a natural Viagra without any side effects. This tea is packed with natural ingredients that boost circulation, reduce inflammation, and improve male performance. Here's what you'll need. Ginger increases blood circulation and testosterone levels. Nettle, a natural testosterone booster that supports overall male health. Lemon, high in vitamin C, helps with arterial flexibility. Cinnamon improves blood flow and regulates blood sugar. Honey, a natural energy booster and antioxidant source. Hibiscus tea enhances nitric oxide production for better circulation. Schisandra chinensis, a powerful herb known to strengthen male potency. How to prepare: chop the ginger, nettle, and lemon. Add all ingredients to 1 liter of boiling water. Let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain and drink. Drinking this tea daily can improve blood flow and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. But let's be honest, preparing this every day takes time and effort. That's why they created Nitrox Pro, a 100% natural formula that delivers the same benefits without the hassle. Act fast. Stock is limited.